Welcome back to Catalyst Grid. Thanks for sticking around. My name is Kingsley Imufua. 26 months, 18 episodes. Project IRONGATE is complete. From 300 piles to 3 P1 defects resolved, we've built the machine. 312 foundation piles. 112 MEP clashes resolved. 43 variation orders, all rectified. Project IRONGATE is complete. This final episode is about the last act of construction, handover, and the first act of operations. Let's close the series. Practical completion, or PC, is the contractual milestone where the building is ready for the owner to take possession. It isn't perfection, but it must be functional. It is not perfection. A building can achieve PC with a snagging list, but it cannot have unresolved P1 or P2 defects. Outstanding safety certifications or missing O&M documentation will block the PC certificate every time. On IRONGATE, PC was achieved in month 26 with only 23 minor P3 class snagging items remaining for the defects liability period. The inspection generated a list of 23 minor P3 items, all scheduled for rectification within the first 4 weeks of the DLP. Sectional PC for Data Hall A was granted in month 20, allowing IT installations to begin 6 weeks before whole building PC. The commercial benefit, 6 weeks of revenue-generating operations in Data Hall A before the main handover event. The handover package was prepared over 8 weeks, tracked on a deliverables register with clear responsibility and due dates. Each component was tracked on a deliverables register. Nothing was left to chance as we approached practical completion. The full set of O&M manuals was issued via the CDE, both digital and hard copy, fully indexed by system. The as-built BIM model at LOD 500 was fully updated, including every pipe and underground cable route. Level 1 through 5 commissioning reports were signed off, and all 43 individual equipment warranties were registered in the CMMS. We handed over the OEM recommended spare parts and all training certificates for the operational team. The building regs and fire authority certificates were filed alongside the complete health and safety file. Handover to the facilities team is a transition program that runs for up to 6 weeks around the PC date. Our 6 engineers received intensive system-by-system training, not just presentations, but real-world interaction with generators and UPS units. The Continuity of Operations Plan, or COOP, documents procedures for every scenario, from AMF failures to battery room alarms. The Year 1 planned preventive maintenance schedule was loaded at PC with 847 maintenance tasks scheduled. The defects liability period is 12 months. The contractor is obligated to rectify any emerges at no cost to the owner. The final retention sum is the lever. On IRONGATE, all snagging was cleared early, and the final release was issued in full. 5 lessons from 26 months of building IRONGATE that will make your next project even better. Lesson 1. File the grid connection application on day 1. It is the action with the longest lead time and most catastrophic delay impact. Lesson 2. BIM clash detection is your highest value investment. Coordination meetings are a program protection mechanism. Lesson 3. FAT saves more than it costs. Finding relay and fuel issues early vindicated the test costs many times over. Lesson 4. Zonal commissioning unlocks commercial value. Planning this from month 1 generates revenues that wouldn't otherwise exist. Lesson 5. Controls discipline is the difference between recovery and failure. On IRONGATE, complexity was managed, not just endured. 18 episodes, 1 project, from the blank site to the blinking lights. We've covered everything it takes to build a data center. I hope this has given you the framework and confidence to approach your projects with discipline. That is how a data center gets built. Series 2 is coming soon. Hyperscale, 100 megawatts, campus builds and AI-ready infrastructure. Subscribe so you don't miss it. I'm your host. This was Building the Machine. See you in Series 2.